Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Students, yesterday you had your revision test. So today, in this tutorial video, we are going to discuss the revision test questions which you had yesterday. See question number 1 on the board. On the number line, -3 multiplied by 3 lies on right hand side of dash. Now, what is -3 multiplied by 3? It is -9. Now, we will draw the number line. 0, -1, -2, so on up to -9, -10, right? Now we can see that -9 lies on the right hand side of -10. -9 is on the right hand side of -10. So our answer is -10. Next question number 2. The product of 11 by 13 and 4 is. So 11 by 13 into 4 is 44 by 13. Now we will divide it. 13 3s are 39. Remainder is 5. So what is the answer? The correct option is 3 5 by 13. Next question. Solve x raised to power 8 divided by x raised to power 2. Now we can see the bases are same, powers are different and division sign. So the powers will be subtracted. The answer will be x raised to power 6. See the next question number 4. Which irrational number is equal to its reciprocal? Now the answer is 1. We can write 1 as 1 over 1. So which is the rational number which is equal to its reciprocal? That is the number 1. Fifth question. Find 20% of 700 meter. So 20 percentage symbol we will remove. Put 100 in the denominator. Multiply by 700. So it is equal to 140 meter. What is 20% of 700 meters? It is 140 meters. See question number 5. The side of an equilateral triangle is 3.5 centimeter. Find its perimeter. So the side is 3.5 centimeter. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle. It is 3 multiplied by side. What is the perimeter? 3 multiplied by side. So 3 into 3.5, it will be 10.5 centimeters. Next question number 6. Simplify 2 raised to power 4 over 3 raised to power 0 plus 2 raised to power 0 whole cube. Now we know 3 raised to power 0 is 1 plus again 2 raised to power 0 is also 1 whole cube, right? So it will be 2 raised to power 4. 1 plus 1 2 cube. It will get cancelled. In the numerator we are having 2 4 times. In the denominator we are having 2 3 times. 3 2 will get cancelled. So we are left with only 1 2. So the answer is 2. Next question number 8. What should be subtracted from -2 by 3 to get the nearest integer? Now, first of all, you have to see that -2 by 3 is equal to what number in decimal? So we will divide it. So we can see that -2 by 3 is approximately equal to -0.6. So it means the nearest integer to -0.6 is what? It is minus 1. So nearest integer to minus 2 by 3 is minus 1. They are asking what should be subtracted. We will write let number subtracted is x. According to question, what should be subtracted from minus 2 by 3? So minus 2 by 3 minus x. So as to get the nearest negative integer, and the nearest negative integer is minus 1. Minus x at its place, minus 1. This minus 2 by 3 will go to the right hand side. It will be plus 2 by 3. Minus x is equal to, by taking LCM, we get minus x as minus 1 by 3. Minus minus cancel. So the value of x is 1 by 3. Question number 9. Solve using property. Now we have to solve it. First of all, we can see in this question, this is one term and this is the other term, right? Now in this term we are having two negative sign getting multiplied, so we can multiply two negative sign and we can write 57 into 19 plus 57. Now again we can see there is 57 in this term and 57 in this term, right? So, and in this term we are having only 57, so we can write this 57 as 57 into 1. So now taking 57 common from these two terms, we will get 57 common, we are left with 19 plus 1. 57 multiplied by 20. The answer is 1140. Next question number 10. Ruhi bought a TV for rupees 10,000 and sell at a profit of 20%. Find selling price. Now beta, what is given in this question? Cost price is rupees 10,000. Profit percent is 20%. Now we have to find the selling price. For finding the selling price, we are having the direct formula. Selling price is equal to 100 plus profit percent over 100 into CP, right? Now we will fill the values. 100 plus profit percent is 20 over 100 into CP is 10,000. So after calculation, we get the selling price is equal to 12,000. What is the selling price? The selling price is 12,000. So cost price is 10,000. After having 20% profit, Ruhi sold the television for rupees 12,000. See the next question number 11. This question is from practical geometry. Construct right angle triangle ABC where measure of angle B is 90 degree, BC 8 cm and AC 10 cm. Now students, for this first of all you have to make the rough figure. Right angle triangle in which measure of angle B is 90. It means 90 degree will be at point B. A, B, C. BC is 8 cm and AC is 10 cm. So now this is the rough figure. After making the rough figure, you have to make the fair figure by using compass, pencil, scale. So you will first of all make a line segment 8 cm by using scale. Then by using compass, you will make an angle of 90 degree. 60, 120. Like this, you will make an angle of 90 degree. After that, you want point A. Now you want point A. We can see The distance of point A from C is 10 centimeter. So next step is to open the compass of radius 10 centimeter and taking C as center. Keep your compass at point C and then you have to make this arc. Now this is your point A. Now join with scale AC. Thus triangle ABC is the required triangle. Question number 12, A part. Find x. If 2 by 9 raised to power 3 multiplied 2 by 9 raised to power 6 is equal to 2 by 9 raised to power 2x minus 1. Now you can see here the bases are same, powers are different and there is multiply sign in between. So if the bases are same, then multiply sign in between, then the powers will be added. So we will write 2 by 9 raised to power 3 plus 6 is equal to 2 by 9 raised to power 2x minus 1. So it will be 2 by 9 raised to power 9 is equal to 2 by 9 raised to power 2x minus 1. Now we can see the bases are equal on both the sides. If the bases are equal, then powers are also equal. So on comparing both sides, beta, we will write 9 is equal to 2x minus 1. This minus 1 will come on the left hand side. It will become 9 plus 1 is equal to 2x. 10 is equal to 2x. Then 10 divided by 2 is equal to x. So the answer of x is equal to 5. Now next 12th question, B part. If Meena gives an interest of rupees 45 for 1 year at 9% rate per annum, what is the sum she has borrowed? Now what is given to us in this question? If Meena gives an interest here means simple interest. Simple interest is given to us 45 rupees for 1 year. Time is 1 year at the rate of 9% per annum, means rate is 9% per annum. Per annum means per year. What is the sum? So what is the sum? Sum means principal. Right, now we have to find principal. In order to find the principal, we have the formula. Principal is equal to simple interest into 100 over R into T. So simple interest is 45 into 100. Rate is 9. Time is 1. 9 5s are 45. So the principal is rupees 500. So here in this question we had to find the principal and the interest is given. So by applying the formula, we have found our principal is rupees 500. So students, this was all about the questions of the revision test. So check your test properly and evaluate yourself and take care. Thank you.